Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we will discuss the DNA viruses. The DNA viruses are pathogens that have genomes composed of deoxyribonucleic acid. They play a significant role in animal health, leading to various diseases that can have substantial economic impacts, especially in livestock industries. These viruses are categorized based on their genomic structure into single-stranded DNA and double-stranded DNA viruses. So have a look on some primary families of DNA viruses that affect animals. So number one is herpes viridae. This family includes viruses like the pseudorabies viruses, which primarily affects the swine, leading to neurological and some respiratory issues. Number two is pox viridae, encompassing large complex viruses. This family is responsible for pox diseases across various species, such as sheep and cattle, causing skin lesions and systemic illness. Number three is Parvoviridae, notably the canine parvoviruses falls under this family, causing severe gastroenteritis in dogs, particularly in puppies, leading to high morbidity and mortality rates. Number four is Cercoviridae. This family contains the porcine cercoviruses linked to multiple swine diseases, including post-weaning multisystemic wasting syndrome, affecting the growth and immune system of piglets. And number five is Asfaviridae. A significant number is the African swine fever virus, a substantial threat to pig population globally, causing hemorrhagic fever with high mortality rates. Discussing its pathogenesis and host interactions, understanding how these viruses interact with their host is crucial. Mechanism of entry in DNA viruses typically enters host cells through receptor-mediated endocytosis or membrane fusions. Depending on virus and host cell type, replication strategies, while many DNA viruses replicate within the host cell nucleus using the host's replication machinery. Otherwise, like pox viruses, replicate in the cytoplasm carrying their own replication enzymes. In immune evasions, these viruses have evolved mechanism to modulate host immune responses. For instance, herpes viruses can establish latency, evading immune protections and persisting in the host for extended periods. So furthermore, if we discuss the clinical manifestations in animals, the diseases caused by these viruses manifest in various ways. Respiratory diseases. Equine herpes virus is known as to cause respiratory illness in horses, presenting symptoms like nasal discharge and coughing and fever. Dermatological conditions, bovine papillomaviruses lead to skin warts in cattle, which can affect the hide quality and in some cases lead to cancerous growths. And if we talk about the reproductive failures, porcine viruses or porcine parvoviruses is a significant cause of reproductive issues in pigs and leading to fetal death in mummifications, impacting litter sizes. Systemic infections in African swine fever causes severe systemic infections in pigs characterized by high fever, hemorrhages, and high mortality rates, posing a significant threat to swine industry.